So Dan, this is great to be here at the IBI Golden Summit. The question I had for you was, where do you see the product evolving in the next few years as it relates to customers that are moving to from on-premises to the cloud? How is the product kind of going to work with that technologically?
We do see so many customers that are still on premise, but moving to the cloud. And the way they're doing it is using our cloud native version of WebFocus so that we could take advantage of integrating WebFocus into customers' like DevOps pipelines and moving forward with features like auto scaling and really an advantage in some of the architecture. And part of that migration process is really about the data. How do you ensure that the data that's on premise is going to be, properly migrated to the cloud? And I think that's where Prism comes in. And we see so many customers that, need to have a transition where it's more of a hybrid environment, right? Or how does some of the operational data security or his legal reasons still needs to be on premise, but needs to also interact with the cloud. So we see from the product perspective, customers move into that cloud native web focus, like I said. But for data, we see everything across the spectrum, hybrid, as well as everything with the cloud. And I think it's providing that flexibility in both the data movement area and in the product as well. It'll be critical.
That's fantastic, Dan. And the reason why I asked that question is, me personally, and a lot of the people at Prism, they can speak one language really well, which is web focus.